Okay, guys, so here's 15, J15. Um, all right, so more accumulation functions. So you are given the graph of G above and the following accumulation functions. And the 8 and 10 stand for the areas. Okay, so find the indicated function values. Okay, so first we're going to find h of 7. So number 1, h of 7 is, so we're using this, the integral from 4 to 7 GW dW. So the integral from 4 to 7, that area under the curve there is 8. Then we're going to do number 2, h of 10. That's the integral from 4 to 10 G of W dW. So from 4 to 10, the area under the curve from 4 to 10. So from 4 to 7, it's positive 8, but from 7 to 10, the area is negative 10. So that's going to be negative 2. All right, now 3, f of 10. Okay, so f is defined this way. So it's the integral from 7 to 10 GW dW. Okay, so the integral from 7 to 10 is negative 10. Negative 10. Then 4 is f of 4. So that's the integral from 7 to 4 GW dW. So the integral from 7 to 4, this is a backwards interval. So the area is, so it's above the x-axis, the area. So you'd think, oh, so it's like a positive area, but since we're integrating backwards, we have to negate it. So it's going to be negative 8. Okay, so 4, 5. R of 7. Okay, so R is defined using this accumulation function. So it's the integral from 10 to 7 GW dW. So from 10 to 7, so we're going backwards. So it's a negative area. So the area is negative 10, but we're integrating backwards, so we have to negate it. So that would be positive 10 for the area. And then 6, R of 4, is the integral from 10 to 4 GW dW. All right, so we're integrating backwards. So from 10 to 7 is negative 10. So that would be positive 10. And then from 7 to 8, it's negative 8. All right, so we'd have positive 10, for this area because we're integrating backwards, and then negative 8 for this area because we're integrating backwards. So it'd be positive 2. Okay, and now find the intervals over which h is increasing and decreasing. So h is this one here. So h is defined as the integral from 4 to any number x GW. Okay. Now remember, if you're adding, if the function is accumulating positive area, if an accumulation function is accumulating positive area, it's increasing. If it's accumulating negative area, it's decreasing. So, let's say, or so from 4 to x. So here, so we're accumulating positive area for these x's, more positive area, more positive area, more positive area. So we're accumulating all this positive area, but then starting at 7, we start accumulating negative area. So from 4 to 7, all right, so h is increasing, you can't see, sorry. H is increasing from 4 to 7 because we're accumulating positive area. But then h starts decreasing at 7. So now we're adding on negative area. Now we're adding on more negative area. We keep adding more negative area. more negative area we're adding on. So H is decreasing all the way up to, so from 7 to 10. So from 7 to 10, it's accumulating negative area.